Hi, this is me. My name is Gregory Warjri. I am an outdoor enthusiast and an adventure guide. I love nature and everything that it has to offer, which is why I've always wanted an action camera to film my adventure. And in 2017, I finally got my hands on the GoPro Hero 5. I then came to realize that I could capture more than just action sport, but I could also capture the beauty of nature, the cascading waterfalls. It has captured the stories of the people that I've met, their cultures, their unique ways of life, and the simplicity of it all. Even the varied cuisines and delicacies of different places. The wildlife found in depths of the forest or rivers and streams. Celebrating festivities and events. While I live my life on the edge, I have memories of it all because of the GoPro. It has also captured moments of pain and my setbacks. But most of all, I can recall all the memories and share it with my friends.
I think I broke my leg.
Fun, laughter, pure joy, happiness, and positive energy. Sadly, my story from the Hero 5 comes to an end, and after 2 years, I had to bid my GoPro goodbye as it sunk into the depths of the river, and I could not retrieve it anymore. But I can proudly say that my Hero 5 has served me well, and now I can share my stories and memories with everyone.